chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers. In the previous lecture, what we did? I remember? Yes, we did. In the last topic is number names. If the number name is given, write down the number, and the number is given, then write it down the number names. Now what to do in this lecture? Look at the first topic here. Top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Here are the top 10 scores given of the Cricket World Cup. क्रिकेट का जो वर्ल्ड कप है उसमें से जो टॉप 10 यानी हाईएस्ट 10 जो स्कोर्स है यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. सो व्हाट टू डू? लुक एट द फर्स्ट द प्लेयर नेम एंड द स्कोर. द प्लेयर नेम APJ स्कोर्ड 128 स्कोर, AS स्कोर 100 यानी इट मीन्स एग्जैक्टली द सेंचुरी. 100 इट मीन्स द सेंचुरी. CK did 99 score, DM did 162, then KSP did 152, then MD did 178, then PK did 105 runs. It's more than century यानी century से ऊपर है. ST did 141, TPK did 112 and VVS did 127. So almost player did above the century. Only there is a one player जिसने 99 रन बनाया. This is below the century. यानी सेंचुरी से थोड़ा सा कम है. बाकी सब ने सेंचुरी से ऊपर बनाया या तो सेंचुरी बनाई है. So now what to do? Here are the some blanks is given. We have to fill it out these blanks. So first number. CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? CK just missed his century. CK ने कितने runs बनाए थे? CK did 99 scores. अच्छा, he just missed his century. उसने century miss कर दी. कितने score से miss कर दी? यानी कितने run बाकी थे? So CK already 99 he did. Now how many more runs? Suppose उसने कर लिए होते, then he got the century. तो century बन जाता. You all know that century it means 100. So already he did 99. So how many more runs he needed to make a century? Yes, difference between the 100 यानी century and 99. तो century यानी 100 और 99 का difference क्या है? Yes. क्या difference है? Yes, 100 minus 99 it means only the one run यानी one score. एक नंबर का सिर्फ डिफरेंस है. अगर एक हो जाता then तो CK got his century. तो CK का उसका सेंचुरी बन जाता. So what to do in write in a blank? We have to write in a blank number 1 run यानी 1 score. Now the next blank is blank and blank scored almost equal runs. किसने almost equal runs बनाए? तो हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं APJ का AS, CK, DM, KSP. Look at this all numbers. किसका almost near by है? Same. Almost near by यानी एकदम नजदीक है. Almost the nearby is. Look at this. APJ did 128 and VVS did 127. Only the one run different. एक रन का सिर्फ डिफरेंस है. Look at this. VVS did 127 and the APJ did 128. So yes, ये दोनों almost same है. So I write it down here in a second blank. APJ and VVS. APJ and VVS. अच्छा, one more, two more players are there कि जिसका nearby है. Look at AS. AS did 100. AS के 100 है. And then CK का क्या है? 99. Again there is a one number different only, one run different. So AS 100 and CK 99. So अच्छा, इसको रिप्लेस करके आप ये भी आंसर कर सकते हो 199. It would be the same. Now go to the third blank. Blank scored a complete century, no less, no more. Who did the century? No less, no more. Exactly the century. Who did the exactly century? Century it means you all know that century it means 100. किसका है 100? AS. Yes. So what to do? Write down AS in answer. So now the next blank number 4. मोस्ट रन स्कोर्ड बाय एनी बैट्समैन आर, कौन से बैट्समैन ने हाईएस्ट रन बनाए हैं? हाईएस्ट रन, मोस्ट रन यानी हाईएस्ट रन। हाईएस्ट रन किसने बनाया? लुक एट द बॉल, हाईएस्ट रन पे जाओ, किसने हाईएस्ट रन बनाया है? 128, 199, 162, 152, 178, 105, 141, 112, 127. So highest run is what here? 178. Who did 178? The player name MD. MD did 178 runs. So I write it down here, MB. हाईएस्ट रन किसने बनाया है? MD ने, प्लेयर MD। The next blank is blank and blank have a difference of just 1 run between them. यानी blank and blank player have a just 1 run difference. किस किस के बीच में 1 रन का डिफरेंस है? Only the 1 run. Yes, हमने जैसे सेकेंड ब्लैंक में किया, exactly here. Look at this, 99 and 100. Difference is only 1 run. What is the difference? Only 1 run. So AS and CK. One more answer is there. Yes, you all are right. APJ and VVS. इसके बीच में भी 1 रन का डिफरेंट है. Look at this, 127 and 128. So difference is only 1 run. So या तो हम ये भी कर सकते हैं APJ and VVS और AS और CK. आप कोई भी आंसर कर सकते हो, AS CK या तो फिर APJ एंड VVS. तो हम यहाँ पे AS और CK कर देते हैं. Number 6. Blank scored 2 more runs than 1.5 century. Blank scored 2 more than 1.5 century. 2 more than 1.5 century. 1.5 century means what? 1 century it means 100. Half century means half. So 100 का half it means 50. So 150. More than 2 it means plus 2. More than 2 it means plus 2. 1.5 century plus 2. So 100 plus 50 plus 2. यानी 152. Now, who did 152 here? Look at this, who did 152? Yes, KSP did 152. So I write it down in a last blank, KSP. Century it means 100, half, यानी 100 का half यानी 50, and here is 2 more runs, यानी 2 more runs यानी 150 plus 2 यानी 152. So who did 152? Player name KSP. KSP did 152. So I write it down here, KSP 152 score. So the next topic is counting by 10. Counting in tens. You all know the 10 table number 10. Yes, table number 10 तो सबको आता है. It's a very easy table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50 and like this. So here is 10 counting by 10 means क्या करना है? जो भी आपको नंबर दिया है उसको क्या करेंगे? 10 10 ऐड करेंगे. Counting by 10. So simply adding 10 10. So look at the first number 10 is given. Now 10 10 after plus 10 it means 20. 20 plus 10 30 30. 30 plus 10, yes, 30 plus 10 it's a 40 40. 40 plus 10 it's 50. 50 plus 10 60. 60 plus 10 70. 70 plus 10 80. 80 plus 10 it means 90. 90 plus 10 it means 100, already given here. So this is only adding by 10, counting by 10. If suppose the heading is given counting in 5, counting in 5, so what to do? Adding 5 5 5 only, adding 5 5 5. Here is counting by 10, तो 10 10 add करेंगे. 5 दिया है तो 5 5 add करेंगे. Now if counting by 2, then adding 2 2. So the next is 110. 110 plus 10, 120. 120 plus 10, It's 130. It simply add 10, nothing else. आप रफ वर्क में भी कर सकते हो. 130 plus 10 यानी 140. 140 plus 10 it means 150. 150 plus 10 160. 160 plus 10 it's a 170. 170 plus 10 it's a 180. 180 plus 10 190. 190 plus 10 200. The next line 310 given. 310 plus 10 it means 320. 320 plus 10 330. 330 plus 10 340. 340 plus 10 350. 350 plus 10 360. 360 plus 10 370. 370 plus 10 380. 380 plus 10 390. 390 plus 10 400 is already given. Look at the next line. The first is blank given. After the blank this is 720. Yes, you can identify. यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा 720 के ऊपर. This is counting by 10. This is counting by 10. So 720 के ऊपर कौन सा आएगा? माइनस कर दो इजीली, बिकॉज ऑफ हम प्रीवियस जा रहे हैं तो माइनस करेंगे. इफ यू गो फर्दर देन एड 10. इफ यू गो प्रीवियस देन माइनस 10. सो यहाँ पे हमें प्रीवियस नंबर, वी वांट प्रीवियस नंबर, देन 720 minus 10. Then what we get? Yes, you are exactly right. 710. 710. Then plus 10 यानी 720 already given. Then plus 10 यानी 730. Plus 10 740. Plus 10 750. Plus 10 760. Plus 10 770. Plus 10 780 is already given. Now plus 10 790. Now 790 plus 10 it's 800. 800. So this is what counting in tens. It's a very simple counting in 10. तो 10 add करो. If counting by 5, the heading is counting by 5, तो 5 add करो. If counting by 2 is given, then 2 add करो. It's a very simple, nothing else. आप स्टार्टिंग में रफ वर्क के साथ भी कर सकते हो. Then you can go with directly. So the next is counting in 50s. 50. Already we did 10. So this is counting in 50s. 50s यानी 50. So 50 add करना है. Only we have to add 50. So look at the first 200 given. 200 plus 50. It means 250. Now 250 plus 50. So starting में आप कर सकते हो रफ वर्क. 250 plus 50. Look at the exactly ones place, exactly tens place, and then 100 place. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 5 10. 10 it means ones place down, tens place carry over here. So 2 plus 1 3. So 250 plus 50, the answer comes 300. 300 plus 50, it means 350. Now 350 plus 50, yes, 400. 400 plus 50, 450. 450 plus 50, it's 500 already given here. Look at the next one. 550 given. 550 plus 50. So 550 plus 50, answer is 600. This is 600. Now 600 plus 50, this is 650. 100. 700 plus, it's a 750 already given. 750 plus 50, answer comes 800. This is 800 plus. You have to do the rough work. फिर आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, देन यू कैन गो डायरेक्टली. सो दिस इज काउंटिंग बाय 50. सो ये 50 का टेबल भी बन जाता है, 50 का टेबल. यस. नाउ काउंटिंग बाय 100 सपोज. तो काउंटिंग बाय 100 में क्या होता है, 100, 200, 300, 400, लाइक 100 ऐड करते जाओ. अगर ऑड नंबर्स में भी आ सकता है, सपोज 50. और अगर बोला है कि काउंटिंग बाय 100, तो 50 के बाद क्या होता है, 150, 250, 350, 450 एंड लाइक दिस. So you can do take any numbers and give the heading counting by 2, counting by 5, counting by 10, then 50 and then 100, and do the practice at your home. Thank you all.